anywhere, 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 anywhere. So, can you be in all those places within this room and still be heard? See the HDL 300 audio conferencing system up there? It lets you be heard from anywhere in the room. Here's the pickup pattern of a typical mic array. You can only be heard if you stay seated at the table. But this ignores a simple fact. People have legs and they want to use them. With a conventional system, people can't be heard in these dead zones. But the HDL 300 finally solves this problem. Our patent-pending microphone mist technology fills a room with thousands of virtual microphones, so people can be heard, no matter where they move in the room. So go with a system that lets you go where you want to go.